Hello everybody, Awesome Cubing here. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this Puzzlecrate for June. Okay, so in here we have the Clover Pyraminx. Here we have another puzzle named the Clover Pyraminx. We recently included the Landline Clover Pyraminx in previous Puzzlecrate. This Clover Pyraminx is produced by Chi in collaboration with Kevin Urich and a designer who goes by Star. Kevin says the puzzle is similar to a mastermorphic puzzle that has the corners hidden due to the shape of the cuts. The puzzle shapeshifts quite a bit and looks pretty crazy when fully scrambled. Like most Chi puzzles, this Clover Pyraminx is extremely playable and looks great in any collection. So, yeah, this is the Chi Clover Pyraminx. Here we go. Here is the Chi Clover Pyraminx. So this puzzle has very smooth turning and has great quality stickers on it. I'm going to come back to this in a bit after I unbox the Double Skewb. So here we have the Double Skewb. So, the Double Skewb. Moyu has recently released this high-quality Skewb modification that adds an extra layer of difficulty to their normal Skewb. Depending on which corners you turn, the inner center pieces will move or remain stationary, thus scrambling the inner layer. Not every turn will scramble the center, so try to keep track of what pieces move with each turn. This Double Skewb is similar, but not the same as Carl's half Dual Skewb puzzle. Hopefully one day we'll see Carl's Dual Skewb mass-produced as well. So yeah, here is Double Skewb. Alright, so this cube has very smooth turning as well as the other one. And so here, let's look at this cube. So it says it has dual layers, so whenever you turn it, the centers will also turn, but only on certain moves. So let's say I turn this side, none of the centers move, but if I turn this side, if you turn it, the centers won't move with it, and the centers will be different depending on where you turn it. So only certain turns will move the centers, like that turn. This turn will keep the centers on the same spot and not moving. Let's do a quick scramble of this and see what it looks like all scrambled up. Okay, so this is what the cube looks like all scrambled up. So some sides have the centerpieces moved, while others just have it in the same spot. So I'm going to try to attempt to solve this. So, put the centers there. Alright, so look, I'm here. So I've solved all the centers, and now all I have here is to get these two pieces flipped around. So I'm going to try to do that. So this is where I've gotten. I'm pretty much stuck here. So I've gotten the front side solved, and then when you flip it over, the centers for the other side are flipped only when you do one turn away. They're so close, but yet so far. So yeah, that's as far as I've gotten. So yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the Chi Clover Pyraminx. So, like I said from before, it has really smooth turning, and it has great sticker quality, and it's a really great quality puzzle. And I forgot to mention earlier, it has great turning, and also it has jumbling moves where you can like shapeshift the cube. It's really sweet. And once it's fully scrambled, it looks awesome. It's complete, like, look, you can just like mix everything up, and it's sweet. So yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be, I didn't mix this up because I won't be able to solve it within the time frame I have, so yeah. So yeah, here are the two puzzles that I got from Puzzlecrate, the Chi Clover Pyraminx and the Dual Skewb. Well, thanks for watching, bye.